Here I have Huawei Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option clear data, then factory reset, then type word yes on the keyboard and select factory reset. After a few seconds, all the data from your device will be wiped, including your settings, contacts, photos, videos, music, everything, and lock screen password too. And after that, device will be restarted in about a minute or two or something like that. No, then you have to select back, restart, and then it will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.